Hey, this is Roger with Grower Solution. I wanted to talk to you about Fogg-It nozzles. We sell a huge amount of these. They come in 4 different sprays: coarse, medium, fine, and super fine. I think I've got that right, but I think it's coarse, medium, fine, and super fine. Each one of them has a different purpose. I'm going to put each one of them on the end of this thumb valve so that you can see what it does, okay? This is the coarse one you can use for a little heavier, and you can see it's pretty heavy, and it beats those plants a little bit more, but it waters in good. I've used this in the garden just to water. Now, the next one is orange. I think I said it was medium, but it's actually what they call it is low volume. So I'm gonna put it on the end and you can get a better idea. This is, I believe it's 2 gallons per minute, where the heavy one is 4 gallons a minute. But you can see it's a lot finer. It's more like a heavy mist. And you can see it doesn't batter your plants, okay? It's not beating them up. That is medium or lower volume. Okay, so now we're to superfine, the green, and it's even finer. It's a 1/2 gallon per minute. I might have had the amounts wrong, but it's a 1/2 gallon per minute, and it's even finer. Even finer. See, if you just want to cool your plants or get just the soil wet, that works great. Now the last one we've got here is the superfine. And I believe the superfine is a 1/2 gallon per minute. My paperwork's actually saying 1 gallon per minute, but it might be wrong. We might need to go check that. But it's the violet one. So let's put the violet one on, and you're gonna see how great this is misting. You could mist brand new seed that you seeded in a flat. Look how fine that is. You can seed that flat and shake it, and you're not gonna wash anything out. It's just gonna work so good to do what you need. Can you see that real good? Anyway, I wanted to show these to you because we sell it's a tremendous amount of these we sell, and they're a really good tool. Again, remember, these things are brass. They're not gonna break. You can run over them. You might lose them, but you're not gonna break them. Thank you again. This is Roger with Grower Solution. We appreciate your business as always. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, I just wanted to update you a little bit because I wanted to make sure that everybody understood the different flow rates on these. You've got the heavy, which is 4 gallons per minute. The medium or low volume, which is 2 gallons per minute. The fine is 1 gallon per minute. And the super fine is 1/2 gallon per minute. And this fine and super fine, we sell a bunch of them for spraying down seedling trays and things like that. They just don't wash trays out. They do fantastic.